What is it? Another SDR.
Turn this frickin'.
Westmoreland, Pennsylvania. The National
There we
Weather
go.
Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 2 p.m. At 1:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ligonier, or 12 miles southwest of Westmont, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source: radar. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Laurel Mountain State Park. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
Caught one today.
The forecast for Pittsburgh